Hey y'all, and good afternoon. Well, welcome back to my garden. Today is such a beautiful day and we went and got a little bit of dirt. So me and Savannah have been busy this morning getting everything ready for our next project. But I have got a cold, so I cannot believe that. was sick December, January, now into February, 1st of March. So anyway, she is going to be a sweetheart and get this dirt unloaded for us. And then also we picked up one other thing when we were out today. We picked up some veggies today while we were out. We got this really pretty red cabbage. So beautiful. And they already had these outside, so they're already acclimated to the weather. And then we got a little pack of the romaine. And their prices are super affordable where we go to. And then this is called the Black Seeded Simpson. And that was really pretty too. And then we got some little onion sets. And this was a sweet onion. So we're going to get these planted all in this little flower bed here.
Let's see.
So Savannah found her nice little sitting place here.
Look, I have always thought it'd be cool. I don't really eat red cabbage, but I thought it'd be cool to grow it just because they look so pretty.
They are pretty.
And I love watching people's videos where they grow them. But you can make like some kind of like salad out of it, like an Asian salad. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. So, oh goodness, this thing's gotten dried out. We're gonna have to water it all in. The wind has been blowing really strong today.
Yeah, that's one of the reasons we want to go ahead and put them in for the night.
You know, we didn't bring any of our Bahide toner or anything out here.
It's okay. This is all fresh stuff. It's already got all the goodies in it. We can always come back and top dress with some plant tone.
I think that's good.
And then we can just kind of space out our lettuces and then put our onions in between. So we're going to get that done and then we'll let you see what it looks like when we get finished. So this is the area we're going to be adding the dirt to. So Hardy and Savannah and Joy, they all helped to get this cleaned out. Because remember guys, this is the area that had all of the rocks in it. So we got all of the rocks cleaned out. And these are our Blushing Bride hydrangeas that we moved from the front. So they are starting to wake up a little bit. Over here you can see a little bit of green peeking out. So we're going to get this all covered in compost. So it's going to look really good. Oh my gosh, Savannah, this looks so good. This is so pretty. Is it a lot of hard work?
Yeah, backbreaking.
Oh my gosh.
So this was almost a truckload of dirt.
Almost a truckload? Are you kidding? That's like 2 scoops.
Yeah.
That's $84. That looks so good.
Yeah, so we got them put it down all around the hydrangeas.
It's really good though. I love it. It's gonna be so nice. Now I can plant more flowers.
Oh, this is rough.
I really did not think it would take this much.
But the thing is, it has such a downgrade slope going toward the fence line, so I try to lift it up a little bit. I did put down some cardboard pieces whenever you get along the fence line, just because some of that sod from the other side wants to grow in this way.
Yeah.
Eventually we'll have to work on a little project over here with the stones, because there's some of these old stepping stones from the previous people, and they're kind of sinking into the ground.
Yeah.
They don't make much sense. So, and there's weeds. So I think we're going to have to take those up and do something new. But yeah, so it was almost a whole truckload. I still have some dirt left and got it laid down. Used our little, wheelbarrow, and then
one of the dogs is already walking through here.
oh yeah, she's already been stomping. But this, I think this would look really pretty whenever all the hydrangeas come up and it's really green and lush. You can plant all your annuals. It will be a little bit of a morning shade because of the pine trees, but it'll get so much afternoon sun because in the summertime, the sun seems to hit more of the backyard, whereas in the wintertime, there's like no sun out here at all.
Yeah. This is probably the shadiest area right here.
Yeah. So yeah, I think this would be nice. I know you took a nap and now you came back out and you have a whole flower bed. This used to be rocks. Like it was horrible rocks.
Disgusting rocks.
And so we got it all moved, taken out, and now we got our whole soiled compost in here. What kind is it? Did he ever say?
It's called enhanced compost.
Okay.
That's what he calls it.
Yeah. So he's really nice guy. He's business close to where we live. He's expanded it. So he has like tons of dirt, gravel, rocks, everything. Yeah.
That's good. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
So here's the before, and here is the after. And who is this?
This is Opal.
Did she cut you?
Got you?
Yeah, she'll be good.
Ooh, what's your Spanish? She's got a boo-boo on her comb. This is Opal, though. She's a lavender
And then I
or
have Charlotte.
Hi, Charlotte.
She's the one with all the character.
And she has a pretty, colored eggs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She lays green eggs, and she's
We
an
got two
Americana.
today.
Yes. The babies.
She's a big girl.
Don't say that about her. She's getting scared. She wants to get put down now. She says,
So for my birthday, my sweet friend Kaylee, I met her for the first time down at Disney whenever we were both down there for the college program. And we have just stayed really good friends ever since. And for my birthday, she sent me a care package, and it had these gorgeous tulips in it. And so we've been saving them in our, we have like this little refrigerator, and we've been saving them in the refrigerator. That way we can plant them. And so now, since our weather's finally getting good again, we have brought them out of the fridge and are putting them in. And they're supposed to look like, if you could show Mama, this little bouquet. It's called Bouquet Tulips. There's 15 in it. And they've honestly stayed really good shape, just being in the fridge. They haven't gotten bad or moldy or a weird smell. And I'm just so grateful for her as a friend. Like, she is the sweetest thing ever.
It says 2 to 4 inches. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
she is really sweet.
So yeah, so even though we're states apart now, we still keep in really good touch. We send little care packages to each other. And yeah, I'm just very grateful for her, and this was the sweetest little present. She had tulips, this car gardening magnet that went on the back of your car. She gave me like scrunchies and just a whole bunch of little goodies that were all kind of garden themed, and it was the sweetest
Garden
thing.
themes are the cutest.
Garden themes are the cutest. It was very springy, which was so nice. She definitely knows what I enjoy. That is the coolest thing.
For 4. Just kind of poke it in beside it, down to 4, then you open
Down
up
4?
the soil. Yeah, and just pop it in.
Yeah, these would be cool. Oh, did I do that too close? I think I did it too close. Like that.
Yeah.
Learning.
Yeah, that was really sweet.
Yeah. And then we'll get to see what they grow up to be. And I think they'll be beautiful right here. A little pop of color in the garden.
Thank you, Kaylee.
Thank you, Kaylee.